Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are using all of my favorite luxury makeup products and some new ones for holidays. So if you want to see me put on some of my favorite luxury makeup products, then just keep watching. Luxury foundation is the Power Fabric by Armani, best foundation ever for a natural looking skin. You guys saw that we use the Armani Lip Power. These are the new lipstick duo in shades 104 and 400. Cannot wait to try out that red, but for today, I just needed a good old nude lipstick, definitely. Okay, for luxury lip liners, I had to catch my words there. Luxury lip liners, 100% the Victoria Beckham lip liners. I am wearing shade 5, so they're numbered like 1 through whatever, and this is shade 5. Definitely a deep, dark brown, very brown. So if you don't like brown, similar to Foxy Brown from Charlotte Tilbury, but I think I like the Victoria Beckham a little bit better. Expensive, but wonderful. And for, yeah, I showed you my lipstick, foundation, blush. This palette from Pat McGrath, really nice. I'm not really sure if that's considered luxury makeup. I would say it's luxury for Sephora at a higher price point. So we'll include it in that, but I want to get my money's worth because it was kind of expensive, $52. That to me is luxury price tag for a face palette. So and let's see, what else did I use? I just used a drugstore mascara because I don't really have a favorite luxury drugstore, a luxury mascara. So if you have a favorite recommendation other than the Chanel, I haven't had the Chanel Le Volume in a long time, and actually I do have a sample. I should have used that, but I didn't want to waste it on day-old lashes. I knew I was going to put on false lashes for this kind of dramatic eye look that I did. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to check out, I'm not sure if it's going to be up yet, my NARS Unwrapped. This is the Laguna palette for holiday. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I know that's not technically luxury, but I did want to do the review for it for holiday. So be sure you check that out. I'll link that video down in the description bar for you guys and all of the other products that I used today. So I think that is it for luxury. I did use the Pat McGrath concealer. That is one of my favorite concealers. If I had to pick a luxury favorite concealer, it would be the Clé de Peau, but I need a lighter shade in that, and I'm waiting to get it maybe on Black Friday. So be sure you come back to my channel by subscribing. It will notify you in your feed. Just like your Instagram feed, you have a feed here on YouTube. So subscribe and I will pop up into your feed. It is free. And all of my holiday videos will be right there in one place so you don't miss out on all of the fun videos that I have coming this holiday season. We are going to be doing Vlogmas. We are going all out this year, so be sure that you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on those. They're going to be so fun and some fun giveaways, so be sure you do that. And I will list and link everything that I used down below. Let me know your favorite luxury mascara. Is it the Chantecaille? Is it Chanel? Is it Dior? Tell me something that you love down below. I will say I love the Chanel Le Volume and the Dior Over Curl, I think it's called. Really, really nice if you have lashes that don't want to stay curled. Those are great. And I think that is it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope we got to see a little bit into some of my favorite luxury products and saw something that maybe you want to pick up to splurge on yourself or put on your Christmas wish list. That is coming up in like 6 weeks. Let me know what's on your wish list down below. I'm gonna have my holiday gift guides up really soon, so you don't want to miss out on that. Another reason to subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. If you like luxury makeup, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you over on Instagram and in my next video. Bye!